Yo, what it do, YouTube? We're back with another video. Now I just made a mistake that was very dumb. Okay, so I just made him the freaking. Okay, so we gotta put Mark Ingram. I forgot Ingram. If I'm not spelling them names right, then I'm sorry, bro. But don't get mad at me. Wait. So we'll just put. Hopefully you guys didn't hear that. My spelling is off today. What the heck? Make sure you go watch my other video. If you want to make videos with me in Roblox, make sure you comment down below and subscribe. Tell you subscribe and tell me your username so I can friend you and this. And so, why we benching people? How you want to bench people? Bro, how you... Oh, there we go. So, okay, we need that D-line. So we're going up against the Cincinnati Bengals. Okay, I know everything on this, so we're gonna run it up with Mark Ingram, and we only get to the 2-yard line. That's not really good, but a yard is a yard. It'd be better than get none. Mark Ingram, what a catch, bro! Hopefully, we can start doing that every day. Lamar Jackson is on the go. How do you not, bro? Come on, Mark. This team is on the road to Super Bowl. Let's go. 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 Ah, come on. You had that, bro. As we get that. Oh, okay. So we're almost at the touchdown, and we did not get it. No. Why? No. You're right there. Come on, bro. What is this? No, come on. You were right there. Bro, I'm mad now. How you gonna lose, bro? Come on, Willie. You got this, Willie. You got this, Willie. Let's go. I don't trust my running back like I did the other running back, because this running back can't catch for nothing, bro. And he's always open. Like, bro, can you catch the ball? Oh my god. Thank you. How you catch that, but you can't catch the other one, bro? He's so slow. Come on, Mark. So we get down to the 10. Come on now. So Mark is almost there. We're gonna stop the clock right there and just probably run it. And we get the touchdown, bro. I'm telling you, this team will become a great team. Road to the Super Bowl. Why does that always happen? Wait, why don't we get the ball first? Okay, but that don't matter because we got the ball back. Come on. No. Oh, why? Come on, Lamar. This is not that good of a game. I mean, it's just because that they're putting on the pressure that I thought that we thought that they was not gonna put on us. Let's go, yo, my guy Marquise. You're a goat. You are a goat. Oh my lord. Oh, come on. By the way, this is the 2019 season because yeah, it's just the 2019 season. You're right there. You're right there. No, no, no. I mean, no, it's not. It's the 2020. Let's freaking go, bro. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. I told you this series is gonna be lit. Not like the other one where we lost. This one is gonna be lit, bro. We're gonna make it to the Super Bowl. This one I'm gonna make it longer. I'm gonna try not to rage. So they did not score. That's not good. That's not good. That is not good, bro. I knew. I know. I knew that was gonna happen. He got the. No! You gotta be kidding me. Lamar. I mean, you bum. You bum. You bum. We gotta have ball. You're right there. Come on. Bro, what is Mark Ingram doing, bro? We gotta move your feet somewhere else. Let's go. Marquise, 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 Hollywood, 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 Hollywood. Let's go. First game of a season is a dub. Let's go. So we're in the division leaders in the AFC. So Miami won the first game. Wow. The Patrons lost, so they're not in the. They're not in a. I'm not gonna put that on him because that he was barely getting passes the whole game. But it is what it is. I mean, it is what it is. So we're gonna sign this player. What should I do? What's that dude name that's on the CB? We just gonna name him Jimmy Smith. Till I bro, is that dude the number 44? I forgot his name. Wait, did it just say? Oh, never mind. So we're at the Cleveland, and they just scored first. That's a great catch. Okay, Willie. I see you, Willie. Bro, what type of? Come on now. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Go out of bounds, go out of bounds, go out of. Please do not fumble. Don't fumble. Oh, come on, Mark. You're right there, Mark. Come on. Mark has been getting yards. Come on, Mark. 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 Mark Ingram. Let's go. Mark. Let's freaking go, Mark. As Willie Snead catches the ball for the 2-point conversion. Now we're on defense. Come on. Let's go. Brown. Oh, dang, bro. Oh, dang, bro. Why did I throw it over there? I'm such an idiot. Just call me idiot in the comments, because I'm an idiot, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you? Just tell me. How do you not catch the ball? What are you on? Is it that hard to catch the ball? Oh, he hurdled 4 of them. Nice way to come back from not catching that ball. And you gonna score? Okay. I see you, Marquise. Like he said, 2020, Ravens gonna be coming big. Should I run with Lamar? What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Oh my lord. You're right there. Bro, what is... Somebody car just went off, bro. I know you hear that, guys. I know you hear that. Okay, just turned off. Thank you. So we got 51 yards. That's good. That's... So we're about to run with Lamar. Ah, come on, Lamar. We gotta score with Lamar. Let's go. Lamar Jackson gets that to go. You're right there. Let's go. Good catch. So we got there. And I don't even know if I really even showed all the parts because the camera was off. Because I just turned it on. I'm kinda dumb for doing this. Because I barely showed any. I don't even think I showed anything. But as you see that we won. I need to stop pausing the video and let it play. Because that... You feel me? It just messes me up and I get too focused in the game and I really don't be knowing what to do. Let's go. That's a good pass. Good pass. No! 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 Lamar! He's injured. He's injured, bro. Why you gotta injure him, bro? Huh. Man, I would kill them people, bro. So we finna look at the stats before we leave. So Mark Ingram has been really doing good because that he's averaging 42 yards. That's good. You feel me? But if you enjoyed this video, be on the lookout. And we'll be uploading again with some Roblox. And peace out.